within all 6 principles the theme of knowing the learner, knowing the environment, previous experience, and how effective that is in creating those really good training environments, and the next steps to move forward, those goals, those agreed goals that everyone agrees on.
The principles this morning, hearing about them, it's not the first time I've heard similar principles mentioned. It's what we have always believed in, and it's what we do. And relating to the ākonga that we work with, some of their learning experiences have been positive, and these here, if they're in the forefront of what we do, we can turn their learning experiences going forward into a positive one.
It's extremely relevant. The entire environment is relevant too, really, so giving some recognition or acknowledging what their experience is, and then reflecting on that, obviously, through all those different realms, through all the different pieces of the puzzle, and then moving forward how we can best work with those individuals, including ourselves as well.
These principles, it was as if they were written fit for purpose for what we do. It's not just me making this up. This stuff has a history, a valid history.
I'm just thrilled with Aqua Explored because it's just been wonderful to have received a set of principles that so thoroughly encapsulate so much of the essence of what we've been doing here in workplace learning. We're working really hard to take these principles and translate them into the language that will really suit our workplace learning contexts.